Welcome, this is Waec here, 2020 objective past question number 2 says that we should choose the word that is most nearly opposite a meaning to the underlined word, and in this expression the underlined word is applauded. So the statement says the audience applauded the last speaker, but the first speaker was dash. Now applauded simply means to praise, or clapping. When people clap for, oh, well done, good presentation, that is applauded. Then option A now say booed, that is the booed simply means disapproved. I beg, you understand, something of that nature. Disapproved. Rejected is more of negativity, so rejection can not be direct opposite to applauded. Reject. However, we notice that the first speaker also presents, so it's just that they failed to applaud him. Then option C say abused. No, abuse is an insulting remark, but the speaker did not say they insulted the first speaker. They only applaud this last speaker, then dash the first speaker. So abuse, which is synonymous to insult. Then option D says scold. Scold cannot be the direct opposite of applauded. Of course, there is no way they can scold the speaker. The only thing that can happen in public presentation or paper presentation is either you applaud the person or you boo. Or booed means not giving your consent or to the speaker. That's what boo means. But to scold it is not. It can't be scolding. The first speaker cannot be the direct opposite of the given word, so it cannot be. So option A is the correct option, which says but the first speaker was booed. They disapprove of him, they didn't praise him. So when you boo somebody, it's an exclamation of disapproved, that is not a good speaker. So that is what it meant. So option A is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more videos.